The name of the Igarapé Institute has inspired curiosity since its founding in 2011. The word Igarapé actually originates from the Amazon. It refers to the thousands of channels crossing the Amazon forest. In Tupi, Igarapé translates into the way of a canoe. The Igarapé Institute was started 10 years ago with the idea of being a new kind of think and do tank. Our goal was to share Brazilian innovations with the rest of the world and to channel global insights on what works back to Brazil. Over the past decade, the Igarapé Institute has served as a channel to connect human, digital, and climate security agendas. Today, it is a globally recognized platform that connects decision makers and opinion shapers with civic leaders and activists. At the core of the Institute's mission is a commitment to think, connect, and transform. The Institute team applies data, undertakes research, designs new technology, and deploys innovative communication strategies to construct more responsible and efficient public policies. In just 10 years, the Institute has produced over 300 publications, reaching millions of people. Our research has been cited in over 37,000 news stories, reaching literally billions of viewers. Our team has published more than 2,000 opinion editorials for leading news outlets and magazines from around the world. We've developed strategies and recommendations based on solid evidence. Throughout our journey, we've been joined by more and more people who understand and share our goals, values, and concerns. The Institute's researchers have provided technical assistance to governments to help design, monitor, and evaluate their public policies. Our data scientists have designed high-impact technologies that are being used from the Americas to Africa to amplify efficiency, effectiveness, and transparency. In less than 10 years, the Institute launched more than 28 data visualizations, GovTech, and mobile phone apps designed to improve public services, especially for vulnerable populations. Our team has traveled across Brazil and to over 100 countries to participate in over 1,000 events. Institute researchers have presented their findings to leaders of executive, legislative, and judicial branches, as well as to private sector and civil society groups. But the truth is that we're most proud of the tangible impacts of our work on day-to-day public policy and the lives of affected people. Our research and recommendations on everything from fighting environmental crime and digital rights to drug policy reform have been adopted by mayors, governors, and presidents around the world. For 10 years, we've engaged on the front lines of Brazilian security policy. We've contributed to legislative bills and national policy. In recent years, our research has been cited in judicial decisions by Brazil's Supreme Court. Our work on global arms control, cybersecurity, and women's participation in peacekeeping missions has also generated global impacts. The truth is that we traversed more Igarapés than we ever imagined over a short period of time. The Institute has influenced the direction of drug policy reform in Brazil, Colombia, Uruguay, Mexico, and around the globe. We also helped shape a regional campaign to reduce homicide with firm commitments from member states of the Organization of American States. Looking back over the past 10 years, it is obvious that the rivers were far from calm. We've faced stormy waters. Today, we're paddling against the currents of disinformation and misinformation, polarization and division, populism and authoritarianism, and accelerating climate change and environmental crime. We are also confronted with the most significant health crisis in 100 years, the COVID-19 pandemic. But as the world changes, so too has the Igarapé Institute. We are completing our first decade with a sense of stubborn optimism. We are more determined than ever to achieve human, digital, and climate security. These are essential conditions for our own survival and the survival of our planet. We are motivated by the immense diversity and biodiversity of the Amazon and the people who live there. Like the Igarapés that give life to the basin, our institute is committed to defending human life and the well-being of our environment. Notwithstanding the immense challenges facing Brazil and the world, we will keep working to make new connections and take action to defend our common future.